Hello friends, in this tutorial we discuss about scene tab. So you can select scenes here. If not, Windows defaultly check scenes. Okay. This first one is update scenes. If anything changes, just click update. It's updated. The next add scenes. So just click the scene created automatically. Again I click one more time. So the next option, the remove scene. So this erased instantly. The next option, move down or move up, create more scenes. If you want to move or delete, just click. Here's a menu, so delete scene, it's deleted. Okay. The next view option, you can see small or large thumbnail or details or list. So now I can choose details. Here is the more details about that particular scene. If you want to change the name, you can change like this. Okay. Here's a various options. The camera location. You can create scenes based on camera locations and hidden objects. You can hidden anything, then create the scenes. So these are the camera locations scenes. Next visible tag. If you turn on off any tags and create scenes, the next option, section planes. So I create a section plane and create new scene going down. Okay. And create new section. So if I go this, so these are creating look like animation. So you can create section planes and create scenes. It's going fastly. Then so you can hide the section planes. Fog and shadow settings. So you can create shadow and create new scenes. And also you can create a fog and create a new scene. If you want to change name, just you can change fog like this. So if click the fog tab, it's automatically come. This is shadow. So this is a quick way to move one style to another style, one scene to another scene. The scenes are basically very interesting to work and create various settings every scenes. So see like this. And also you can create animations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.